Hi, I'm Courtney with Michigan Folding Doors. You might be thinking, wow, this is the same old folding door that I've already seen. Well, you'd be wrong. We have a couple of new features that I want to show off to you guys, including magnets to hold the doors open and screens for our folding doors. See, our doors are held together with a magnet. Now that I shut off the magnet, here's the screen for our folding doors. See, now it's the perfect indoor and outdoor space, with the screen protecting you from the mosquitoes while still getting that airflow into the room that you want. So come on, open the door to endless possibilities.